And the last thing I'd like to show you is how to display a message box. Message boxes are often annoying, but they're also very useful when you try to debug code. It will stop the code, it will stop the program from running, and display a message. This is useful if you're trying to alert the user of some mistake that they're about to make, or to send them an important message, but it's also useful for the programmer to use in, again, debugging their code. So I'm going to choose to send a message box right after the form loads. So after actually, let's do it before it shows my name. I want to show you what happens. So if we go before my name, okay, the message box, the code for the message box is simply msgbox. If I could type message box. And there are lots of ways to do the message box, but one way is to add parentheses, and notice it's given us some helpful pointers here. The first thing it wants is a prompt. Okay, so I'm going to put a quotation mark here. I'm going to type welcome to my hello app. Okay, I'm going to close the quote. Now once I put a comma, it's going to ask us for what kind of button style we'd like. Okay, critical, exclamation, whatever. I'm just going to scroll down to OK only. All I want them to do is to press the OK button. It's just a little informational piece. They don't have to do anything. So double click OK only. We're going to put a comma, and that's going to jump to the next little thing that we're going to need to type in, or we can type in, we don't have to. Title as object. So what is the title of this little window that's going to pop open? And we'll type welcome. Okay, close the parentheses, and a message box should pop up. Now watch carefully what happens as we run the program. Okay, the first thing you see is the message box, which is kind of like a ghost appearing before the program. Hello, welcome to my hello app. You press OK, and then the form appears. Okay, so that would probably freak some people out. It might be nice to show the form first and then display the message box. To do that is useful, and this little piece of code is very handy. So what we'd like to do is have the form display itself. So we need to use again the me keyword, me.show. Okay, sounds like a kindergartner talking. Me.show simply means show myself. And now as we run the program, the first thing the form loader is going to do is show the form, show me, and then the next thing it will do is open up the message box. So now you press OK, and you can run the program just like always. Alright, well, that concludes our first little Hello World tutorial, among other little pieces of information. Thanks for watching.